What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We have an interesting video tonight. Just gathered some friends together. We're gonna do some kind of like fun runs, just hanging out and stuff. So really don't know where this video is gonna go, but I think it should be pretty fun. So see the Tahoe get down, and yeah. Alright guys, Turbo Tahoe versus a all-motor Silverado. $100 pot. Dodge versus a 2500. All right, we got it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Definitely leave a comment down below what you guys want us to do in the next future videos. So we'll see you on the next one.